Hello and welcome. One of the first things you'll need to do in order to set up your affiliate program is to choose either a marketplace or a network where you're going to be able to list your product and have other affiliates find it in order to promote the product. You're now looking at clickbank.com, and ClickBank is a site that will allow you to place your product in their marketplace for affiliates to find it and then choose to promote the product. If your product is more oriented toward a business opportunity audience, you can use a site like jvzoo.com. You can typically sell information products as well as software products. Now, on sites like ClickBank and JVZoo, there's no upfront cost for you to list your product. You only pay a fee to the network when your product actually sells. There are also sites like Pay Kickstart, which serves the same purpose, even though you will pay Kickstart a monthly fee, and then you'll avoid paying fees when your product actually sells. There are sites like ThriveCart. ThriveCart allows you to host your product, use their shopping cart, and then create your own private affiliate program. You'll pay a fee for the cart one time, and then you'll no longer pay fees on the back end when your product sells. There are sites like Zaxa.com, which once again is a monthly fee, very similar to Pay Kickstart. There are also course platforms which will allow you to list and host your product, which have their own built-in affiliate program. Thinkific is very similar to a site like Teachable. Teachable is a course platform which will allow you to host videos and sell your digital products and recruit affiliates in order to promote them. And so what you'll want to do is to explore the method in which the affiliate program is going to be administered, because that will determine how you choose to host your product and to sell your product. Now, as of the recording of this video, Teachable has revamped their entire affiliate process for you to list your products on their site and then to have affiliates promote them in a semi-private affiliate program. Again, this will require you to have your product on Teachable to deliver to your customer in order to use their affiliate platform. There are sites like First Promoter, which will allow you to bolt on an affiliate program to your existing suite of products. And of course, there are going to be transaction fees and fees involved to be on the network. If your entire system will be on WordPress, you may want to use an affiliate platform like Affiliate WP. Affiliate WP will allow you to create products on your WordPress site and then administer your entire private program on your WordPress website. You can also use the Warrior Plus network, again, if your product is going to be oriented toward a business opportunity audience. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome back. You are now looking at a sign-up page for a product created on the ThriveCart network. And this is what you will need to be able to produce with the network that you have chosen in order to be at the starting point to create the assets for affiliates to choose to promote your product. Now, we are looking at this process on the ThriveCart network. However, this is going to be universal across any network that you choose to list your product and then allow affiliates to promote the product. Your affiliate will have an area where they can check their links, get access to the links, and then begin to promote your product. Now, for the sake of this demo video, you'll notice here that this particular network requires PayPal, and this has not been set up for this account. What you'll also notice is that this particular vendor has moved their product to another network, one of the ones we've mentioned, which is Pay Kickstart. For example, if you'd chosen to use the Teachable network, you'd be able to create an application for affiliates to be able to choose to promote your product once they find out what you've chosen as the parameters. So what you'll need to have is a product or products available for sale. Once you have them, you'll need to create an affiliate application for individuals to apply to promote your product. Once approved, that individual will be able to promote. Now, this process is going to vary across platforms in terms of how the affiliate finds out about your affiliate program. But the starting point is being able to produce the affiliate sign-up page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. You're now looking at the affiliate center for Gumroad.com. Gumroad is a site where you can list and sell your digital products. Now, the process is going to be slightly different on Gumroad, and this video is representative of understanding the particulars of your network. For example, the process in Gumroad is going to be slightly different. An individual is going to need to apply to become your affiliate, and then you'll choose which products they are then going to be able to promote. And the individual is going to need to be on the Gumroad network in order to be part of that promotion process. This will require more explanation to your affiliates up front, as well as individuals who are coming to Gumroad for the very first time, which will need to take place either on a website or in some other form of communication. Now, in Gumroad, once you have affiliates, you can determine which products they are going to be eligible to promote. Now, this doesn't mean that you need to use Gumroad in order to have an affiliate program. What it means is that you must know the parameters of your network and exactly how affiliates are going to apply for your products and then get their link in order to promote. And it'll be a good idea for you to keep most of your products that you are going to have affiliates to promote on one network or in one system. Now, that may not always be possible, and there will be cases where you'll need to use more than one affiliate network. However, in general, if you're going to have a consistent stream of products, you want to be consistent about the method in which affiliates can promote you. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. One common practice among information product creators is to create a separate site for all of your JV or affiliate marketing activity. This typically means purchasing some kind of domain where you can create an entire affiliate site for that activity. If you have an existing hosting account, you can get a very simple domain name in order to bolt on to your existing hosting. If you have a site, you can connect it to your new JV domain. Otherwise, you can build a very simple WordPress website on your domain. Once you have a website, what you are going to begin to do is to create separate pages for each of your products. Typically, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the graphic representation of your product is going to be available on the site for the affiliates to be able to see. You will make sure that the dates available for the product that you're going to be releasing will be available to the affiliates. You'll then have a place for them to click on in order to get their affiliate link, and you're going to make sure your affiliate link is available. You are going to explain the nature of the offer, so that if you have a sales funnel available, you're going to want to communicate that on your offer page for your affiliates to know how much they can potentially earn and what they want to stress to their customers. You want to then explain the product to your affiliates. And there are other elements to this process that we will be explaining in additional videos. But basically, you want to start the process by creating a site for your affiliate offers and then creating a separate page for each individual offer that you're going to make available for affiliates. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. You may notice that in the case of larger, well-established companies, whether they be online or offline businesses, at the very bottom of their page with the rest of their informational links, they have a link to their affiliate program. And often this affiliate program is communicated on the very same domain as their main sales page. Whether you choose to keep your activity separate in an affiliate site or whether you choose to communicate it all in one domain, what's important is that you make sure that there is no way that a customer thinks that by purchasing your product that they will be accepted into your affiliate program, and that what you are selling is access to your affiliate program by allowing them to purchase your product. And so you can keep affiliate activity for individual products separate from the individual sales page, in addition to keeping the site apart from your product line and sales pages. It's possible that you can link to the bottom of your page and link out to your separate JV or affiliate website. However, even then, what you'll want to weigh is whether this is going to be effective to have your affiliate program on your sales page, or whether you will rely on your efforts to make your affiliate program known to those who would potentially promote your product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. When you are working with your affiliate launch page or product page, one of the things you can do is to make sure that your title will be reflective of information that potential affiliates will want to be aware of upon seeing the link for your site. You can control that process if you are creating a WordPress website and WordPress pages by making the title information that your potential affiliates will want to see. And so in this case, we're going to edit the title. And so what we've done is we've changed the title to communicate information that affiliates will be able to see at a glance. we're going to update and change that title. And once we've updated and changed the title, we're going to want to test that title in our social media account. So what you'll want to do is to find a social media page that people will not see until you can test your link. What we're going to see here is we're going to go ahead and post the link into this area. And what you'll notice here is that we have our featured image. We also have information that the affiliates will be interested in when they see the link. So we're going to go ahead and post the link. Now, what you may want to do is to make adjustments in your featured link so that when you post to social media, you may have a different image. What we have here is information communicated at a glance to the individual JVs when they see the image for our launch. You can control some of that information by changing your site title, in some cases for each individual launch, because this will give you more information in order to communicate. As you can see here, the site title is part of the information that will be available to the affiliates when they see the link. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. We are now inside of the Warrior Plus network, and we're here inside of the product setup screen because we're going to look at affiliate automated management. And what it will do is it will help you to manage the number of requests that you will get and whether you choose to approve them or not. This is representative of some platforms that will give you some elements of automation so that you can communicate to potential affiliates right away whether or not they will be able to promote your product when they make application. Now, when we choose to turn on the affiliate program in Warrior Plus and we choose a percentage, this will determine what a potential affiliate will be paid when they generate a sale. However, it's in the offer settings where we can set automations. What we can do here inside of Warrior Plus is we can choose so that if an affiliate has a certain score in the Warrior Plus network, we can make it so that individuals will then be able to apply to promote the product. If the individual does not have that potential score on the Warrior Plus network, they will be given a message that your affiliate program isn't open to new affiliates. What you can also do is you can disallow requests altogether. This will allow you to give access to your affiliate program on a manual basis to those whom you choose. And so depending on which network you choose, you want to take advantage of the automation elements that are given to you so that you can manage the number of requests that you're going to get to those to whom you are serious about approving. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. We are now inside of the Warrior Plus network, and we're looking at one particular element of automation of affiliate management that you may be able to replicate inside of the platform that you are using. And it is a feature that you are going to want to search for within that platform. The Warrior Plus feature is called Affiliate Sync. And if you have affiliates that you have approved in a specific product, you can automatically approve those affiliates for a different product by copying their approval from one product to the other. Now, you'll want to note that affiliates will not be notified that they are approved for the new offer. So you'll need to communicate with them to let them know that they are approved to promote the new product. Another element available in Warrior Plus that may be something that you can replicate inside of the network that you use is the auto approve feature. So what you can do is you can make it so that if you have a trusted affiliate and they apply for a specific product, you can make it so that they do not have to wait for approval. You can make it so that they are going to be auto-approved for all of the offers that they choose to apply in order to promote by clicking this auto-approve button. The default setting is going to be that auto-approve is going to be on no, but if you make it yes, this affiliate is then free to promote any product. You can also place them on auto-deny, so that this will deny all of their links in addition to those that they have promoted in the past. Now, every platform has different features available to it. This particular feature can be useful to you across platforms, so it's one that you'll want to search for in its form in the network that you choose to use. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Regardless of what kind of product you're going to be delivering to your customer, one of the things that you can do for your affiliates is to give them the opportunity to see what they will be promoting. If you are delivering video content, or even if you are delivering a PDF, you can link to that content on your JV page. This is going to involve uploading a video or sample of your product to a video host like Vimeo. Now, what Vimeo does that is peculiar to this platform is that you can limit the number of places where this video can then be embedded and whether it is considered to be private. Now, assuming that you upload the video to Vimeo, what you can do is you can go to the video settings. And what you can do in terms of privacy is that you can make it so that first, that the video will not be on a review page. You'll then save that element. What you can then do is to set the embed settings. What you can do with the Vimeo video is that you can determine the privacy settings. And what we can do is we can make it so that this video can only be embedded in one place on a specific domain. That means that once we embed the video to our site, this video will not be embeddable to another site. What we can do with Vimeo is we can make it so that the video can be downloadable so that individuals will then be able to show the video to their customers. Even if you don't use the Vimeo video host, you can use these two features to make the video effective for your campaign. Now, one other element that we can add to a Vimeo video is that when the video completes its playing, what we can do is we can create a call to action inside of the video. And in this case, what we can do is to place our affiliate link along with call to action text so that the individual can click on that link if they're using a mobile device and then apply to promote our product. Once we have all the parameters set, we can get the embed code and we can place that embed code in the sample area of our JV website. What we're going to do is we're going to make the video now available. And the sample video is now available on our JV website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you will have affiliates that promote for you on a regular basis, or affiliates that you know will do extremely well for you if they are going to know what's inside of the product. And so when that's the case, what you're going to want to do is to create either a special version for your affiliates of your product, or to give them free or VIP access to your product. So assuming that you would be in a platform like Teachable, you can go inside of your course, and one thing you can do is to duplicate this course for your VIPs or for your affiliates. Another way of having the same effect is to give your affiliates free access to your product. Or yet another way of being able to do it is to give your affiliate a coupon. So in this case, we can go to the coupon area. We're then going to add in a coupon. We're then going to create this specific coupon, and we're going to make the percentage off 100%. We're then going to give the coupon a name. Now, if we're working with a specific individual, we can make it so that this coupon code can only be used one time by one person. We can also make a specific expiry date, although we don't have to do that if we know our affiliate and they are trusted. But when the affiliate goes to the checkout page and they enter the coupon code, they'll then be able to enter the product at no cost so that they can do an effective review of our product. And this is how you can deliver VIP access to some of your top affiliates of the product that they will be promoting. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. You are now inside of the ThriveCart platform. It's here where you're going to see certain terms that are going to be used in different ways in different places. When you have an individual that is promoting your product for a sales commission, in ThriveCart, this is called an affiliate. In some cases, the affiliate may be referred to as a JV or joint venture partner. But basically, the affiliate's way of working with you is to take a link, promote the product, and then be paid a sales commission. Within ThriveCart, there is a distinction called JV partners. And this is an individual with whom you are partnering. And that means then that for every sale, this individual will be splitting the profit with you. Typically within any platform, what you're going to do is to create a contract with your potential JV partner. And for example, you're looking at a contract that has been set between a JV partner and the vendor, which in this case would be you. And so this individual will be paid 50% of every sale. However, that 50% will be paid after the affiliate commissions have been deducted for any particular affiliate sale that has been generated. So it's possible that you are working with a partner in order to produce the product. That product can be promoted by affiliates. In this particular case, there will be a payout to the affiliate, and there will also be a payout to your JV partner, who is the person working on the project with you. And so when you hear the term JV or affiliate, you are going to need to clarify the function before you start working with the individual. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, one of the elements that you may want to add to your JV page is going to be a practice that in some cases will be commonly accepted, in other cases may not be in place. It's called a JV document, and typically it is created on a shared document system like Google Docs. And you will have some basic elements on your shared document. If there is a contest, you'll want to communicate it, and you'll see that first here in this area. You will then see access to the JV page, and that will be the JV page on your site. You will want the individual to have access to the affiliate link, and you will see it there listed by this particular vendor. Now, obviously, these links are being grayed out. You will also see that the individual will have a sales page listed here. This is a sample of your sales page so that the affiliate will be able to go to that sales page to see what it will look like when their customer actually goes there. If you choose to have an upsell or a series of upsells, what you can do is you can make those pages available to the individual that will be promoting. And you'll see that listed here. This is what the vendor is calling OTO page. Now in this case, you'll also see that the vendor is giving their affiliates review access. This is something that you can do also. And the individual is providing their contact details on one of the social media platforms. So the JV document will have all the same information, typically that's on your JV page, with the exception of your upsell links so that your customer will be able to look at the link. Now, one thing to note about your sales page and OTO page, you will want to create copies of these pages and place them here on your JV page. Because what you don't want to happen is for individuals to click this link to go to the page where your buy button is and to give you bad statistics. So where you see sales page and OTO page, you typically are going to want to make copies of those pages to make it available in your JV document as well as on your JV site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, one of the other elements you're going to see here on the JV page is you can include what are called swipes. And swipes are pre-written emails that you're going to write on behalf of your affiliates that they can use as ideas for their email. You can either include them here on the page as an embed, or you can include them in a separate shareable document on a platform like Google Docs. Basically, what you'll be doing is writing out a series of emails for your affiliates to use. And you'll write them so that you determine where you think they're going to place in the link, which is going to be their affiliate link for your product. And typically, you will link out to this same page on your JV document. So for example, assuming that you have a JV document here, you're also going to make sure that you link out to your swipes by putting in the URL that is shareable from your swipe document. Now you're going to want to confirm when you're sharing with the swipe document that you will make sure that the general access is going to be anyone with the link, and that you're using this copy link inside of your documents. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is that individuals are going to come to the link, they're going to need to request access from you in order to see the rest of the document. And of course, you want to avoid that scenario. So regardless of whether you put the link on your JV page or you share it in your JV document, you want to make sure that the link that you're sharing is going to be from this area and that is designated as anyone with the link. And you can access this dialog by going to the share button. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. You're now looking at muncheye.com, and Muncheye is a place where individuals that have offers where they are looking to recruit affiliates will advertise their offers, and it's free to list on Muncheye. Now, if you look on Muncheye, the vast majority of the offers available are being posted on the Warrior Plus and JV Zoo networks. However, in some cases, you may see the ClickBank network, you may see Pay Kickstart, and other networks. The primary market of affiliate that comes to Muncheye will be the business opportunity or make money online market. And so if you have a business-related offer, you can find affiliates by announcing your product by creating a free account on Muncheye. Muncheye will require you to give your product a title. It'll allow you to place images of your product, and then you'll need to write in identifying information about the product. You need to make sure to tell the individuals that will be promoting your product what affiliate network that you'll be using in order to list your product. You'll also be able to declare what niche or market your product is part of. There are similar communities available. One is called the Joint Venture Marketing or Networking Community, or JV Notify Pro, and you can use your favorite search engine to find similar sites. That may take more skill in order to find, but you can go to social media sites to find communities of individuals that are promoting specific products. You'll typically want to start with the search term JV and then do a search within the social media site to begin to look to where there are communities of individuals that are looking for products to promote to their email marketing list. And again, there are forums that you will be able to find by using your favorite search engine. Now, depending on your market or niche, there will be diminishing marginal returns to placing your link everywhere. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to determine which placements bring you the most affiliates and then narrow your placement down to those particular sites. In most cases, the sites where you'll be able to list your product will be free to join and free to list your product. You'll also be able to see what others are doing in order to promote their products. In some cases, by participating in promoting the launch of other individuals that have similar audiences to you, you'll be able to get the attention of people who will be interested in promoting your own product. The key is to find the sites and forum for your particular market where the affiliates who have lists to reach people that your product would satisfy, so that by consistent posting, you'll be able to get their attention with an offer that will suit them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. As you begin to get the attention of affiliates in order to promote your product, you're going to want to be able to keep in touch with them, even if it's not for your present launch. And you effectively are going to do that with an autoresponder or email service provider by creating a list specifically for the affiliates. You're now looking at MailChimp.com. It's one particular email service provider which you can use. You can also use sites like ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, Aweber, and Constant Contact. You need to choose the one that's suitable for your market or niche and then begin to use it. Now, MailChimp uses the term audience to define a specific list. And basically, what you're going to do is you're going to create a specific list for your affiliates so that you can begin to keep them all in one database, write them emails, and collect them as they decide to promote your product. Now, in most cases, because you're working with affiliates who are already doing email marketing, you may not have to have a double opt-in requirement for them to become part of your list. However, this is something that you can do. Because individuals that are going to be JVs get so many emails, you're probably going to want to indicate in the default from name exactly what the nature of your relationship is going to be. So anything that you can write in identifying about what it is that forms the nature of your relationship with the individual on the email, you should do it. Once you have a list and that list has a specific name, you're then ready to begin integrating it into your affiliate platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, we are now inside of ThriveCart, but the steps that we are about to take, you should be able to take within any affiliate network that you are operating in. What we're going to do first is go to the affiliates area. What we're then going to do is we're going to go to this area that says rules. And basically, what you're going to see here is it says that when an affiliate signs up for any of our products, we want to use an integration with a specific autoresponder to add them to a specific list. Now, regardless of which network you use, there's going to be an integration process. You're going to need to integrate your email service provider or autoresponder to the platform where you're using. So you're going to want to first find that integration process. If you were to use ThriveCart, there is a specific integration process for autoresponders, in particular the one that we just demonstrated, which is MailChimp. As you can see, we've gone through that process with MailChimp and ThriveCart. That means then that ThriveCart has access to the list that we have created for our affiliates. So that means we can change this integration to MailChimp. And when we ask ThriveCart to add them to a specific list, and we use this drop-down menu, we should see the list that we created. And we're going to add them to the list. And here's the list that we have inside of MailChimp. And so basically, the way this works in ThriveCart, we're going to add this rule to our affiliate system. If we were to use the Warrior Plus network, you're going to notice that we have our affiliate program. And basically, what we can do is we can connect our autoresponder, which again has already been integrated into our Warrior Plus account. And you'll see here that when we make the MailChimp connection, we'll be able to see the list where we can add affiliates to in order to keep in touch with them. So what you'll want to do first is to find the autoresponder integration information. And then once you do that, you'll then want to set it up so that the individual product that you are selling, when an affiliate comes to promote that product, you want to have that individual added to a specific list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, it's possible that the affiliate network that you're working on does not automate the addition of individuals to your autoresponder when they sign up for your affiliate link. One thing you can do is you can make it so that they can stay in touch with you by signing up manually to your list. And so basically what you're going to do is use your favorite page builder. You're going to set up an area where individuals can then opt into your individual list. And so in this case, we're going to add in an opt-in form. And we are now using an old version of the WordPress page builder called OptimizePress. And OptimizePress has an integration for MailChimp. And so we're going to add in the MailChimp integration. We're going to determine the list that we want people to be added to. We're then going to click Insert. And basically what we've done here is we've made it so that individuals that are not automated and getting updates to our launches, we will want to invite them manually on the page where all of our other JV information is. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Depending on where your affiliates hang out online and where you'll want to communicate with them most, you can create a social media group in order to communicate with willing affiliates that want to be part of that social media group. You'll first want to invite individuals that are on that social network to the group. And you'll want to post information about your launches so that individuals will be able to keep up with what it is that you are doing. Now, within the social media group that you choose to operate in, you may want to make sure that you're going to be available to answer questions of affiliates wanting to promote your product. Now, again, much depends on where your affiliates hang out the most. What you can do is you can also create social media groups that are business related on the social networking site LinkedIn. Groups are free to create, and you can create multiple groups on the platform. You'll want to make sure to give your group a name and then a description. You'll need to determine what the industry is. You need to write in the group rules. And then, of course, you'll want to make sure that your group is going to be discoverable. And basically, what we have is another way of being able to keep in touch with affiliates. Now, once again, you'll want to be aware of how many affiliates are actually promoting as a result of you building your group, and whether this justifies the amount of time that you'll need to put in order to be in the group and answer questions of the individuals that will be asking them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, there are features that belong to certain affiliate networks that are not part of every affiliate network. One in particular is going to be that you can set up an individual contest for your affiliates for a specific launch. You are now looking at the Warrior Plus network, and you want to find out if your affiliate network allows you to create a contest for affiliates to be able to see how they're doing versus other affiliates in real time. Now, we can make the contest competitive in Warrior Plus for all of the products in the funnel, or we can make it for specific products. We're going to give the contest a name. We're going to determine how individuals are going to be ranked in the contest. You can choose total revenue, you can choose total number of sales, or you can choose total number of individual buyers. You are going to set a start date and end date for the contest. And what you're going to do is to determine how many total individuals can be winners in the contest. And you'll then determine how many individuals you want to display as being competitive. You can choose to make it so that the contest is going to be public and available on the Warrior Plus network, or you can choose to keep it private and only make it available to the individuals that you want to see it. Now, in some cases, there is a practice where individuals will team up and they will use their joint results in order to compete for the contest. You can make it so that affiliate teams are not going to be available, or you can make it so that they can compete together. So again, this is going to be a feature that you're going to want to find inside of your affiliate network if indeed there is one. For example, for the search JV Contest and ThriveCart, there are no results available, which means that ThriveCart does not have the capacity in order for you to administer a contest. And however you choose to set the parameters for the contest, it's a good idea to place that information on your JV marketing page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. We are now inside of MailChimp.com. And regardless of which autoresponder you're using or email service provider, you want to be able to send broadcast emails. Broadcast emails are sent whenever you want to send them, and they'll typically go to everyone on your entire list. Now, inside of MailChimp, we will just go to design a specific email. Now, we're going to give the email a specific title. Now, because you're sending this email to your affiliates, you may want to start the process by making sure that your email is going to be identifiable to those who are going to receive it. You can choose to personalize the to field. And for example, what you want to do is you want to use the affiliate's first name and you're collecting that information. You can do that. You can choose to edit this from dialog box. You can use your company name or your brand in this case. What we're going to do here is write in a recognizable subject. In some cases, you have control over what the individual is going to see in the preview text area. And so what you can do is you can write in something that will represent the most important aspect to your message. And you are then ready to begin designing your actual email. Now, it is a good idea that you keep in touch with your affiliates even when you are in process of getting ready for a launch. This keeps you top of mind and gets your affiliates used to opening your emails. And what you are basically doing in the email is you are reminding affiliates that if they are looking for a specific product to promote within the market, you either have one available or you will have one available. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you will have an affiliate that will come late to promote your product. And depending on how late it is in the duration of your launch, you may want to communicate with them how much time is going to be left. And what you're going to do is to go to your favorite page builder, and you're then going to make sure to put in a countdown timer. Now again, we are using an older version of Optimized Press. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put in the countdown timer. We're first going to make sure that the background is what it should be. And once we do that, we're going to add in an element that is a countdown timer. Now, this may not be the case for every page builder that you are using. If you do not have one in your page builder, you can typically attain one either in add-ons to your page builder or that can be added through HTML code to your site. So we're going to choose the style of the timer, and then we're going to place the timer here on the actual page. And basically what we have done is we've made sure that when the affiliate comes to the particular page, that we are communicating with them how much time is left for them to be able to promote. So we're going to add in a specific headline, and we're going to add this to the area with the countdown timer. And basically what we've done is we've made sure that the affiliates know exactly how much time is left, and they know how much time is going to be at an actual glance. In some cases, this will incentivize affiliates to attempt one last promotion with their email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you will have an affiliate that will come late to promote your product. And depending on how late it is in the duration of your launch, you may want to communicate with them how much time is going to be left. And what you're going to do is to go to your favorite page builder, and you're then going to make sure to put in a countdown timer. Now again, we are using an older version of Optimized Press. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put in the countdown timer. We're first going to make sure that the background is what it should be. And once we do that, we're going to add in an element that is a countdown timer. Now, this may not be the case for every page builder that you are using. If you do not have one in your page builder, you can typically attain one either in add-ons to your page builder or that can be added through HTML code to your site. So we're going to choose the style of the timer, and then we're going to place the timer here on the actual page. And basically what we have done is we've made sure that when the affiliate comes to the particular page, that we are communicating with them how much time is left for them to be able to promote. So we're going to add in a specific headline, and we're going to add this to the area with the countdown timer. And basically what we've done is we've made sure that the affiliates know exactly how much time is left, and they know how much time is going to be at an actual glance. In some cases, this will incentivize affiliates to attempt one last promotion with their email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. In conclusion, you've seen a number of platforms and a number of features that you can use in order to administer your affiliate program. And if you don't want to use a WordPress website or a cloud-based service, you can use a platform like Amember, which allows you to self-host your product delivery as well as your affiliate program. And obviously, as of the recording of this video, there is a cost associated with Amember, but again, it is an alternative to you. If other alternatives do not fit in with your online business or the online portion of your business. So the important aspect of this entire process is to determine the features that you want, determine how you want to administer your affiliate program, and then choose the tools that best fit those parameters. Depending on how you want to customize your platform, you can typically combine elements from many of your existing services. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.